How to fix Ome TV not working error on your Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix if the Ome TV app is not working. Well, if you have installed the Ome TV and it has some error and it's not working now, then here's how you can fix it. Well, first things first, what you want to do is you want to check for updates. Simply head into your Play Store or App Store and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Sometimes not updating the application because there's certain glitches and bugs, or even if there are glitches or bugs within the application, then the update should fix it. However, if you don't see the update and it's still not working, what you can do is scroll down your notification bar, tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and head into the option that says apps. Once you're on the apps option, you want to go ahead, scroll down and look for the Ome TV application, or you can use the search bar as well to access it easily. Once you search for Ome TV, you should get the application info page. Head into here and scroll down and head into storage. Tap on clear data option and tap on delete, and then this will fix the issue. Now you can simply go ahead and try and open up Ome TV and it should fix the issue. Hope this video helped. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.